Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update OpenVPN client on Windows step by step clearly. To update the OpenVPN client on Windows, first, ensure that you have an active internet connection. Next, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official OpenVPN website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once on the site, navigate to the download section. Locate the latest version of the OpenVPN client for Windows. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. After the download completes, go to your Downloads folder. Find the OpenVPN installer file, which will typically be named something like openvpninstall.exe. Double-click the installer. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow changes to your device. Once the setup wizard opens, click Next to proceed. You will then be presented with the license agreement. Read through the agreement and select I agree to continue. Choose the installation location, or simply accept the default path. Click Next again to proceed with the installation process. If you have an existing version of OpenVPN, the installer will prompt you to uninstall it first. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation if required. After the old version is removed, the installer will proceed with installing the new version. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. To verify successful installation, search for OpenVPN in the Windows Start menu. Click on the OpenVPN GUI to launch the application. If you need to, import your existing configuration files. Your OpenVPN client is now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.